Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am starting a new video series. Though Excel and solar inverter are overdue. But this series is on tips for personal computers. This will cover PC hardware and software, PC maintenance, upgrading and buying. Let me explain my experience and knowledge. I am maybe power user, but I am not an IT professional. My computing experience started with 4 MHz XT 80286. That was my first PC. I had 386,486, then Pentium, and lately i-series. Apologies to Mac and AMD users, especially gamers, as these videos are not about them. It's about having a reasonable PC at home or at work, which is powerful enough for multitasking but not intended for gaming. My family has first generation i7 quad core, i5 dual core second generation, i5 quad core third generation, i5 sixth generation dual core. On the software side, I started with DOS, and then Windows 3.1, then Windows 5.7. Now I'm using Windows 10. I have not yet updated to Windows 11 because none of these systems natively support Windows 11 auto upgrade. I have also tried using Linux once, a full month. That had been very good experience. So if you want to live without Microsoft Windows, Linux is a very good alternate. Main topics in these videos: we will cover hardware specification we should have in 2021, essential and freeware software, bypass admin restrictions, why you should apply admin restriction on your own PC, using software without admin rights, should you reset or refresh Windows, latest hard drives. Takeaway from this video can be: if you're buying latest PC and looking for value too, stay one step back. I mean, if the 11th generation is talk of the town, buy 10th generation. Another tip would be, your webcam should have hardware LED, so it turn on whenever any app tries to access it. Hardware LED for mic is a plus. From the next video I will starting with tips on hardware selection, i.e. reasonably powerful but not most powerful PC.